Hello everyone, a very good morning to one and all. My name is Anshuman Panda, class prepared first year, section X 2005, roll number 68. So in this video, I am going to demonstrate few pranayama techniques. Basically, I will demonstrate two pranayama, that is Anulom Vilom pranayama and second one is Bhramari pranayama. Basically, first I will tell what is pranayama. So pranayama is a process of breathing, controlled process of breathing, where we learn how to control our inhalation and exhalation process. How we learn about how to retain our breath. So there are basically three constituents of pranayama, that is Puraka, Kumbhaka and Rechaka. Puraka means inhalation, Kumbhaka means retaining of our breath, inhaling and keeping it in the nose, retaining it. And then Rechaka means exhalation. So these are the three constituents of pranayama. So first I will demonstrate the Nadi Shodhan pranayam or Anulom Vilom, which is also called as Anulom Vilom pranayam, and in English we can call as alternate nostril breathing pranayama. So before doing any type of pranayama, we must ensure that we must have a yoga mat with us. Then we will sit in any meditative asanas. We can sit in Sukhasana, Padmasana, Siddhasana and Ardha Padmasana. But your back should be straight. When you are sitting in any type of meditative asana, make sure that your back should be straight. Next, the first step is we will sit in Ardha Padmasana. Now your left hand finger will be in the position of Jnana Mudra. In this position it will be there. It will be resting on the knees. Then your index finger and the ring finger will be in between the eyebrows. In between the eyebrows, we will close our eyes. First, we will breathe in from both the nostril and breathe out. Then, on the second stage, the thumb finger will be on the right nostril, chin finger and the middle finger in the left nostril. Alternate deep breathing. Breathing from left, breathe out from right, breathe in from right, breathe out from left. So we must continue this pranayama up to 9 rounds. 9 rounds तक करना होता है pranayama को. When we complete our 9 rounds, after completing 9 rounds in this pranayam, we will sit in Sukhasana. We will close our eyes. We will do few seconds and few minutes of meditation. We will focus in our breathing. This is the techniques of Anulom Vilom pranayam, which is also known as Nadi Shodhan and alternate nostril breathing pranayama. So the benefits of this pranayama is that it helps to increase our concentration level. It helps to clean our nadis, both the nostril and also it gives a good sensation to our eyes. It helps in improves our eyesight. our स्ट्रेस को रिमूव करता है, मेंटली हमें फिट रखता है और by doing this pranayama regularly our glow will increase, glow in our face will increase. Okay, so these are some benefits of Anulom Vilom pranayama. And Bhramari pranayama, which is also known as bee breathing. So in this pranayama, while we do exhalation, we will produce a sound like bee. We will perform. We should perform this pranayama up to 5 rounds. Okay. So before doing Bhramari pranayama, first we can sit in any type of meditative asana. So we will sit in Ardha Padmasana. With the help of your thumb, both the thumb of both the hands, we will close our ears. Our chin finger will be below the lips. Middle finger above the lips. This finger will be in the nostril and the last index finger in the eyebrows. We will breathe in. After completing the 5 rounds, we will remove our fingers from our face. We'll sit with Mahamantra. Close our eye. We will do some meditation for a few minutes. While doing meditation, we will focus on our breathing and sensation of the sound, the vibration of the sound that is produced. Feel the sensation in the whole. Slowly, we will rub our palms to produce a hot sensation. Demonstration of Bhramari pranayam. So Bhramari pranayam, there are a lot of benefits of this pranayam, and in this point of COVID-19, it is one of the best pranayama which helps to prevent us from COVID-19. And in research also it has been said that by doing Bhramari pranayam regularly, it improves our nitric oxide in our body. So thus by increasing the nitric oxide in our body, helps us to fight against the viruses, and it improves our immunity. It is the best pranayam to improve our immune system. So these are some benefits. Also, it is the result. Other benefits are it removes the sleep disorder, improves our concentration. If a student is not able to concentrate in his or her studies, by doing this pranayam, his concentration and focus level will increase and his learning capacity will get increased. There are also, by doing this pranayama, our anxiety level, our stress level will get decreased. If a person is suffering from any type of mental disorder, migraine problem, so the chances of that type of diseases will reduce. So these are some benefits of both the pranayamas, Bhramari and Anulom Vilom. Hope you liked it. And I would like to thank Dr. Harmanpreet Kaur ma'am for guiding us. And so thank you so much.